Banking Lesson 12, Bank Account Alerts. In this lesson, we're going to cover what bank account alerts are and why they're such a beneficial feature. We recommend downloading your bank's app and checking your account regularly. This is something that's going to help you stay on top of your finances and catch potential fraud that you might have on your accounts. If you're concerned about whether or not you have enough money for a purchase, always verify that you have the money before you go and swipe your debit card. And while checking your bank account daily is a best practice, we know that not everybody's going to do it. And that's exactly where banking alerts come in. Your bank or credit union can send you alerts about your accounts in a variety of ways that includes emails, text messages, or push notifications. The first alert that we're going to talk about is the large transaction alert, which will notify you when a transaction is made over a certain dollar amount. For example, if you want to be notified of debit amounts of $100 or more, you're going to receive an alert anytime a single transaction exceeds $100. Low balance alerts are a great way to make sure that you don't drop below whatever amount that you set for your account. This can be a helpful way to avoid overdrafting your account and getting hit with hefty overdraft fees. And ideally, your low balance alert won't be anywhere near $0 because at that point, it's probably too late. So a lot of people like to keep anywhere from $50 to $100 as a bare minimum, while other people prefer to keep a larger buffer just in case. Some banks will alert you each time your debit card is used at an ATM to withdraw or deposit money. And if you don't use ATMs very often, this is a very smart alert to turn on because if you don't use the ATMs and it goes off, then you know that it wasn't you. This notification lets you know anytime that money is transferred in or out of your account. You may be able to specify transfer amounts above a certain amount, say $500, if you want to receive fewer notifications. Deposit alerts let you know anytime that a deposit is posted to your account. This can be helpful for knowing when a direct deposit from work was deposited into your account or not deposited on time. If you're expecting to get paid and it didn't come through for whatever reason, then you can address that issue right away. You can set up a debit card alert for every time your debit card is used for a purchase. This can be helpful for catching unauthorized use of your card, but it can also be really annoying if you use your card a lot. If your bank suspects fraud on your account, they're probably going to notify you immediately with a text message, a phone call, or by email. If they can't reach you, they typically block all future purchases and they restrict your account until you contact the bank and verify whether or not the activity was actually yours. This is a great feature that helps protect you from fraud. However, sometimes if you use your card while you're traveling or you make a large purchase online, your bank might decline your purchases that you're trying to make because it could be mistaking it for fraud. A quick call to your bank or just responding to a text message that they send you will solve the problem. It's important to mention that you need to be aware that some bank account alerts might not be what they seem. Scammers are very creative and might send a text or an email claiming to be from your bank. And if you get one of these fake alerts, the first red flag is that they're going to ask you for your account information. Your bank is never going to ask you for your information via text or an email. They already have all your information when you set up your bank account in the first place. The scammers are hoping that you're going to fall for the fake alerts and give them your personal information for illegal use. So don't give out your account number or social security number to people or sources that you don't already know or trust. Most of the scam emails are not from an official source like chase.com or bankofamerica.com, so make sure you look closely at the from line. The easiest way to spot a fake email alert is when the email is from an account like bankofamerica@gmail.com or bankov_america@yahoo.com or something bogus to that effect. These people are pretending to be a bank and hoping that you don't notice the bogus email addresses. Knowing how to spot the difference between real alerts and scam alerts is going to be pivotal to protecting yourself and your money. We've included PDF downloads in the download section with further information on how to tell the difference between the two. When in doubt, always contact your bank via the number listed on the back of your debit card. You just learned about bank account alerts. These keep you aware of your account activity and help you avoid overdrafting your account. Now that you know what type of bank alerts are out there, it's time to actually set them up. Every bank's portal is going to look slightly different, but the general approach is pretty universal. So start by signing into your online banking portal, go to your accounts or account services, click on Manage Alerts, and choose the alert that you want to receive. Make sure to select how you want to receive your alerts, like text, email, push notifications, or a phone call. And once you confirm your choice, you're going to start receiving the alerts.